Hello everyone, in this tip I will show you how to create outline in Paintstorm Studio like this one. At first we should select our image. So press on the layer preview icon holding Ctrl key. Then we need to open Refine Edge tool. For basic purposes, edge shifting parameter is enough. If you need to get wider edge, apply and repeat this action again. For me, this looks fine, so let's consider other parameters. But at first, take a look at this place. As you can see, this part of image have soft border. To deal with it, you can increase contrast slider. But keep in mind that all edges at same time going more sharper. Another way to fix it, use smooth slider. It can deal with soft edges too, but simultaneously round all internal corners. Other interesting slider is feather. As you can see, it's smooth on general form scale. In conjunction with contrast slider, we can achieve quite interesting results. So we can use it to get some randomness in form and cuteness by rounded edge, that give us more cartoon impression. Now I'm fine with everything here, so let's apply it and get our selection. Next step, to create new layer and put it under our object. Then choose color and fill our selection. So now we have outline border, and you know how to achieve that. To complete picture and give more close to sticker effect, let's do some additional steps. At first, we need to copy our outline and do it black. One of this layer will be for thickness, another one for shadow. So let's invert color. Next, shift a little bit thickness layer in direction you want. After, slightly change color of this layer to do it not so dark. Now we have nice thickness feeling. To get good shadow effect, go to filters and choose blur effect. Just a little bit will be enough. Slightly correct impact by changing opacity. Now perfect. We can add some additional but not necessary stroke, like as an ambient occlusion shadow effect for cavity areas. Select our object layer and go to Refine Edge tool. Now tweak it in that way to achieve nice soft selection feel in mostly big gaps. Next, create new layer and fill this selection with black color. As at previous, you can control opacity level to get better result. So now we have additional density in proper areas. This effect most often used in logo, UI, prop elements, stickers, text, and any drawing cartoonish styles. I personally really liked it a lot, because it gives cool cartoonish 2D effect. The reason I think that in nature you probably not find any object with a distinctive outline silhouette. Usually a lot of outlines we met in cartoons or drawings where they used to delineating shapes and forms for objects, or as underline more important object in scene. That's why adding any kind of outlines gives so nice, unrealistic and cartoonish feelings, and it's work even with real photos. For those of you who have watched up to this point, here is small reward as tiny extra tips. To get only outline borderline, just subtract selection area of your image from outline layer. Or you can create a mask on outline layer from your selection of image and then invert it. You can create outline in few ways. The first method you already know. And the second one consists in applying selection area to the mask. And then just filling layer with color. Which way to choose depending only what will better fit for task that you're solving. You can put mask on outline layer and then artistically edit it by brushes to give it more hand-draw appearance look. It's quite simple to achieve cut paper effect. Just edit outline edges curves to polygonal looks like. Cut off all the excess by brush or polygonal lasso. With using mask it's quite simple task and you can fast experiment with form. Just another additional way to get outline is use magic wand. It's too much depend from document resolution and support only 5 pixel range. It's because it was developed for other task. Maybe if developer will increase this parameter in future, it will be more useful for this purpose too. So currently it have more cons than pros, but sometimes you can get even faster result with it. And I hope that in future developers will add some dynamic and non-destructive outline tool with some bunch of options. And it will save a lot time and efforts of artists. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.